Bonsai trees are an art form that has captivated enthusiasts for centuries. These miniature trees require patience, skill, and a deep understanding of horticulture to create and maintain. While the journey of growing a bonsai tree is often seen as a labor of love, there are a few secret hacks and DIY tips that can help you speed up the process and save some money along the way. In this article, we will unveil these hidden techniques to help you create instant bonsai trees while keeping your budget intact. Choosing the right plant material. Selecting the right plant material is crucial for successful bonsai making. Look for plants with small leaves and compact growth habits, such as junipers, maples, or pines. These species are naturally suited for bonsai cultivation. Additionally, consider purchasing pre-bonsai stock or nursery plants that already have desirable characteristics, such as an interesting trunk or established root system. This will save you years of waiting for your bonsai tree to develop these features. Air layering. Air layering is a technique that allows you to create a bonsai tree from a larger, established plant. It involves removing a section of bark from a branch and applying rooting hormone to stimulate root growth. The exposed area is then wrapped in moist sphagnum moss and sealed with plastic wrap to create a humid environment. Over time, roots will develop in the moss, and once they are established, the branch can be removed and potted as a new bonsai tree. This method is particularly useful when you come across a desirable tree in your garden or a friend's yard. Trunk thickening. One of the challenges in bonsai making is achieving a thick, aged-looking trunk. To expedite this process, you can wrap wire around the trunk of your young bonsai tree. As the tree grows, it will thicken and take on the shape of the wire. This technique is known as trunk fattening, and it can give your bonsai tree the appearance of maturity in a shorter period. Remember to monitor the wire regularly and remove it promptly to prevent it from cutting into the bark. Pruning and wiring. Pruning and wiring are fundamental techniques in bonsai cultivation. By selectively pruning branches and foliage, you can create a desired shape and promote ramification, the branching pattern, of your bonsai tree. Wiring, on the other hand, allows you to bend and position branches to create artistic compositions. Use aluminum or copper wire and wrap it carefully around the branches, being mindful not to cause damage. Remember that wiring should be done during the tree's dormant period to minimize stress. Watering and fertilizing. Proper watering and fertilizing are essential for the health and growth of your bonsai tree. Water your tree when the soil feels slightly dry, but avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Fertilize your bonsai with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half the recommended strength. Feed your tree during the growing season, typically from spring to autumn, and reduce or stop fertilization during the dormant period. Container selection. The choice of a suitable container can significantly impact the aesthetics of your bonsai tree. Select a container that complements the style and size of your bonsai while providing adequate drainage. Traditional ceramic containers are popular, but you can also explore alternatives such as mica pots or wooden boxes. Consider repurposing household items like teacups or shallow bowls to create unique and cost-effective containers. Patience and perseverance. While these hacks and tips can accelerate the process of bonsai making, it's important to remember that bonsai is a long-term commitment. It requires patience, dedication, and a keen eye for detail. Observe your tree regularly, make adjustments as necessary, and enjoy the journey. Remember that the true beauty of bonsai lies in the slow and gradual transformation of your tree over time. By implementing these secret bonsai hacks and DIY tips, you can create stunning bonsai trees in a fraction of the time it would typically take. Remember to choose the right plant material, employ techniques like air layering and trunk fattening, and master the art of pruning and wiring. With careful attention to watering, fertilizing, and container selection, you can nurture your bonsai trees into living works of art. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening tools, and embark on your bonsai adventure today.